Want to make your TikTok videos visible to everyone instead of just approved followers? Switching your account from private to public is quick and lets more people discover your content. Follow these simple steps to update your privacy settings. So, opening the TikTok applications and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your account. On your profile page, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner. This opens the account options where you can manage your TikTok settings. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. Here you'll find all of the controls related to your accounts. Scroll until you see the Private Account option. If the toggle is enabled, your account is currently private, meaning only followers you approve can watch your videos. To make your profile public, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. TikTok will display a confirmation message explaining what happens when your account becomes public. Tap Switch to confirm your choice. Your account will instantly become public, allowing anyone on TikTok to view your profile and watch your public videos. Keep in mind that changing your account to public doesn't remove all privacy controls. You can still decide who can comment on your videos, send you direct messages, download your videos, or create duets and stitches with your content by adjusting the other privacy settings. That's all there is to it. Your TikTok account is now public, making it easier for new viewers to find your content and helping you reach a larger audience whenever you post new videos.